You've probably noticed the construction at Huntley's Old Village Hall on Coral Street. The big question we're hearing, is the village's $400,000 TIF deal a smart investment or a gamble with public money?
Today we'll explain the money, the guardrails, and what success actually looks like for downtown Huntley. I'm Tamara.
And I'm Ozzie with the Tamara Ozzie team at Century 21 New Heritage. We help buyers and sellers make confident decisions across Huntley and McHenry County by breaking down local changes that impact lifestyle and long-term value.
Here are the facts. The former Village Hall at 11704 Coral Street is being converted into an upscale 217-seat restaurant. Anticipated tenant, Cafe Roma, by developer True North Properties. The village sold the property for a nominal $10 and approved a maximum $400,000 reimbursement from the downtown TIF fund.
This isn't a lump sum grant, it's performance tied. $150,000 total build out split in two. $75K at permit and $75K when the doors open. $250,000 paid, $50K per year for 5 years, only if the restaurant operates.
Construction is underway. The target opening date was September 30th of 2025, but it has been pushed into early 2026. And the historic two-story facade will be preserved. The non-historic rear part of the addition is removed for a better layout.
Let's unpack TIF. Tax Increment Financing in 30 seconds. When a TIF district starts, the current property value is frozen. Taxes on that base value keep going to schools, the county, parks, just like before. When redevelopment raises value, the increment is temporarily captured to pay eligible project costs.
So TIF doesn't raise your tax rate. It captures growth created by the project so the city can fund improvements and incentives. When the TIF ends, the higher tax base flows back to all the taxing bodies.
This site was tax exempt for years, so any new property tax plus sales tax and video gaming revenue is upside for Huntley. But the village isn't betting on one restaurant alone. It's part of a clustered plan. 38 apartments at the Cornell building, 18 apartments over DC Cobbs, and nearly 650 municipal surface parking spaces added, modernized.
And the shops on Main Street, the retail incubator, 10 small retailers launching and learning with the goal of graduating into permanent storefronts. That mix creates a walkable customer base that keeps the downtown vibrant after 5 p.m., which is exactly what upscale dining needs to thrive.
TIFs aren't magic. Some towns have seen slow EAV growth, equal assessed value, inside their TIFs, which can delay payoffs. But the most effective TIFs target unique barriers, historic preservation, utility fixes, stormwater, things the private market can't pencil.
That's what Huntley's doing here. It's similar to Woodstock's strategy around its historic core. The big difference is Huntley tied most of the $400K to operating performance, which shifts the early risk onto the developer.
3 pros and 3 watchouts.
Pros: new revenue from a tax-dead site. Property tax plus sales tax and video gaming that didn't exist before.
Risk managed funding. Largest portion only paid if the restaurant operates 5 years.
Integrated strategy. 56 new apartments plus the incubator retail equal built-in customer base.
Watchouts. Revenue mix volatility. Sales and video gaming can swing with the economy.
Job metric is undetermined. Success needs to be tracked by opening on time and actual revenue, not employment count.
TIF performance pressure. If downtown value lag, full payoff takes longer to reach schools and other taxing bodies.
The bottom line, this isn't about subsidizing one business. It's a calculated risk-managed catalyst to unlock a larger, self-sustaining downtown Huntley. 3 markers for the next 12 months. Hit the date, opening by September 30th, 2025. Nope, not gonna make that one. It will be early 2026.
Revenue reality. The first-year sales tax and video gaming reports.
Residential traction, high occupancy in the Cornell and DC Cobbs apartment. If you care about how public investment shapes your neighborhood and your home value, we cover local developments like this every week.
Tap subscribe and watch our local news and development playlist to stay ahead of what's changing in Huntley and across McHenry County.
If you're planning a move or considering selling, book a quick call. We'll help you read the local tea leaves before you make a big decision.